everybody. Alright, so today I have a box from Nola Dips. So if y'all didn't know, she also carries more than just your average dips. Like skincare, hand care, foot care, all the pampering things that you need. So I figured let's do a little unboxing and I'll show you some of the Nola goodies I have. Also, I am sitting outside today. It's a beautiful day here, and so I have chickens. If you happen to hear little noises in the background, that is just them walking around me. Anyway, alright, so let's unbox this bad boy. So first up, we have the Jelly Pedi Spa Pack in Milk and Honey. And this is kind of cool. It turns the spa bathwater into jelly. So this first one is the gel. So you would put this in a foot bath. This is for your feet. And then the second pack dissolves the jelly, I guess, so that, you know, it's safe for your drains and things like that. But that's pretty cool. So I was really curious to try this. I will do a separate video of us trying all of the things. So if you don't like feet, I don't know, you might have to skip it. Alright, next up is the Pummy Bar, or I guess it would be a Pummy, since it's a pumice bar. It's really lightweight though, it's not like your average kind of like heavy pumice bar. So this is really great to exfoliate the skin. Really neat, antibacterial, so that's kind of cool. And I don't want to open these, you guys, until I really actually use them, or like the ones that are kind of like for sure sealed in a package. Alright, so next up we have Spearmint and Eucalyptus Sea Rocks. These smell amazing. So this, on her site, the description says it softens and exfoliates with dead sea salts from the Red Sea. Scoop sea rocks into warm water foot bath or whirlpool and let your feet soak as the minerals clean and soften your skin for an invigorating at-home spa treatment. So you would use about 1 to 2 scoops of this in your, like a foot bathtub. This just smells absolutely awesome. It's a very light scent, so it's not very overpowering if you're sensitive to certain things. But I love this color. Can I get a dip in this color? Pretty cool, pretty cool. I can't wait to use this as well. So you would use this differently or separately from the Jelly Spa, you know, so. Alright, so next up we have our big bag of goodies. Alright, so first I have, this is a handmade lip balm in the scent of vanilla. And this smells really great too. It's another light scent. I mean, I don't know, my sniffer's kind of messed up sometimes, but I can like faintly get a scent of the vanilla. So I know it's not very overpowering at all. Okay, so the description of this one is it's an all-natural vanilla lip balm packaged in a safe-saving slider tin. The ingredients in the lip balm is soybean oil, sunflower oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, aloe vera, and it may contain some colors and flavor. That is pretty cool. Perfect for you to just throw in your purse for on the go. Alright, and next up we have the Cleanse Cold Pressed Soap Bar. This says, cleanse your mind, body, and spirit with this sage-based exfoliating blend of sea salts, peppermint leaves, and ground oatmeal. Doesn't that sound amazing? That is so neat. Y'all, I have to tell you a little secret. So, like, I totally went on this binge one time on YouTube, and I just, like, loved watching people make soap. Like, I find it so fascinating. Yeah, so a little weird secret about me. But anyway, it smells awesome. Okay, so the ingredients in the soap is olive oil, soybean oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, organic shea butter, water, lye, ground oatmeal, sea salts, peppermint leaves, and natural fragrance oils. That sounds amazing. I cannot wait to use this. And then it came with this little freebie dip, and I don't know if this was just coincidence, but she guessed my favorite color. Or maybe she did it on purpose, but ooh, a red glitter. It's a small fine glitter dip. Love it. I can't wait to use that, of course. Very beautiful. Just a plain simple red. Love it, love it. Alright, so next up we have this bag of callus removal gel, but here's her business card. NolaDips.com. Go give them some love. They have all kinds of cool, like really neat body things. Lots of skincare. Okay, so I have this bag of callus removal gel. So this is enriched with aloe vera, olive oil. This removes calluses in just minutes and leaves your skin soft and healthy. Because where I'm at, I don't know if it's like the same as you, but our winters are very, very dry. Oh, hi Poppy. Hi Poppy girl. And your girl needs some soft heels. My heels right now are horrible. Oh, sorry you guys. She's saying hi. Okay, sorry about that. Poppy had to grace us with her presence. Okay, so on to our next little thing. Okay, so this is Mani in a box in the scent of lavender. So this is to soothe and rehydrate with this relaxing at-home Mani kit for a fraction of the price of your salon. So this is a sugar scrub, and it comes in different steps. So it is a waterless 3-step pack. Really neat. Let me open it and I could show you just the different packages. Alright, so in this box you get a sugar scrub. And then we have a mud mask. And then lastly you have a massage butter. So that's pretty neat, and it's waterless, so I'm kind of curious about how that works. So y'all tune in. I'll do another video and we'll find out. Alright, and lastly we have the Petti in a box. This is a deluxe 4-step salt soak in cucumber. I thought that sounded pretty amazing. So the site says, freshen and relax from your feet up with this amazing home pedi kit for a fraction of the cost of the salons. How cool is this? I just really love that these are in like little boxes. You could totally take these to like a girls' night in, you know, go to your friend's house and y'all sit and have a little, you know, spa sesh. So here's the different steps in the box. You have a salt soak first. Next you have a sugar scrub. A mud mask. And then your moisture, like like a lotion. But I don't know about you guys, like do y'all, I am horrible when it comes to like foot care, I guess. I don't stay on top of it and I do my, you know, hand care more often. But, you know, maybe with all the foot stuffs that come in here, I'll be able to, yeah, get on top of that. So y'all let me know. Are y'all foot pampered? You know, do y'all go get the pedicures and things? I mean, they're amazing when you go and have one done, but I just don't do them enough. Now I have no excuses. Alright there, dreadful dolls. So that's all I have for you today. I just kind of wanted to pop in and show you some other stuff besides just some dip powders. And show you a company who also does dips, but also does a lot of like skincare. So I thought that was really neat. Yes, and I will make a separate video so y'all can see me using all of these products and see how they go. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for always hanging out with me. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys and girls. But yeah, so let me know down below what you think. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and stick around because I'll have more coming out. We have lots of nail mail, so y'all get ready. But okay guys, until next time. Bye.